What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, man, I'd like to formally welcome you to the channel. Welcome to the FLYEERRKicks cave. Now, first things first, I need you to go ahead and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and last but not least, man, drop a comment if you like the content. And I got my IG name listed right here down below, man. Y'all head over to IG, let's interact on there as well. Now, getting straight to it, man, as you can see by the thumbnail, man, I got a heater for y'all, if I may say so myself. There's a lot of people's shoe of the year so far. People have been hyping it up. It's been going kind of crazy on the resale market. And hopefully we get another release, man. Hopefully. There's been rumors going around about us getting a second release of these, man. Hopefully we can get a second release. I can catch this second wave and get my personal size. But getting straight to it, man. Y'all see that black Jordan box? That red Jumpman, that white flight on it. Y'all see those holes in the box? Y'all already know what these are, man. The tag reads Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. Sale mousseline, white, and black. This is a women's 9.5, a men's 8. I unfortunately struck out on these joints in my size, and that's really the end of it, man. I struck out in my size so far. So like I said, man, I'm waiting on that second wave. Hopefully I can get a personal in that size, man. I've been trying to swap these out for a personal, but I haven't been lucky yet, man. But here we have the Jordan 4 off-white, the sale joints, man. People been going crazy over these all year, and we've been waiting for them. We finally got them a couple of weeks ago, and I gotta say, man, Nike and Virgil didn't disappoint with these, man. It's an all sale shoe, that nice cream color, sale hang tag, sale laces in there. It has like a light white cream pair of extra laces. Comes with the black set as well, and it also comes with like this light mint-ish Tiffany bluish color, man. Super dope so far, man. Really like these joints, man. Super clean shoe, very well executed. To me, I can't jump these over the off-white 5s for the shoe of the year, partially for personal reasons. Like I said, I love that black metallic 5. I love how they remixed that particular pair, man. So I still have those above these, but these are coming in at a very hard close second, man. They sell all the way around, man. My favorite aspect of the shoe is this clear Nike Air heel tab, man. And as you can see, as of like coming up soon, they have the denim 3s with the clear heel tag as well. Heel tab as well, man. So I gotta know that Virgil started that trend, man, with the clear heel tab. I like those 3s, but it's a little more subtle on here, and it fits a lot better with this shoe. Being that that's the only clear thing on the shoe, man. Has a nice sale outsole, man. Really clean shoe. Really clean shoe. Now this outsole is all sale, but it has like a translucent sale on part of it, and as you can see, it has the same mint Tiffany blue that came with that extra set of laces. Super clean, man. Let me know how y'all feeling about these off-white 4s, man. Did you cop? Were you able to, or did you not try at all, man? This is a really hard shoe to come by so far. Like I said, man, it's a really hard shoe to come by, man. During the release a couple of weeks ago, this pair came from Sneakers. Before the release, they were listed on the Sneakers app to go up to a men's size 16, I believe, or a men's 15.5 or something like that. And it was supposed to be a draw as well, but leading up to the release, maybe like the day before, they removed the draw from there. And on release morning, the biggest size they had was like a men's 13, I think, or a men's 13.5. So that's why I believe that they're gonna do a second release with all of the men's sizes. We seen Virgil's post saying hers first, then his. He posted this shoe. So hopefully we get a men's release very soon, man, and I can get my personal 11.5. I've been trying to trade these for 11.5, but the price range on the market is just so different. These are going for a little over $1,000. And my 11.5 is going for between $1,600 and $1,700, man. It's depending on your marketplace. So I'm gonna hold on to these for a while, even though they're not my size. So these will not be for sale. These will not be posted for sale anytime soon, man. I'm definitely gonna use these as trade bait to secure my 11.5. I may try and trade these for the Union 4s and just wait for the men's release to secure my 11.5, but who knows. But super clean shoe so far. Super pissed off I couldn't wear it, man. Release day, I hit up the usual suspects. Hit up Booby, Quincy, Pat, Dez, my brother, everybody, man. Tried to get everybody to hit a pair. Literally nobody hit. We all struck out. Got the sold out, and Dez got a sold out on 11.5. She went back and just tried for a women's 9.5. Came home with this, man, so this is how we got lucky on the Off-White 4s. But back to the shoe, man. Super clean pair of Off-Whites. One of the best pairs so far. As far as Off-Whites in my rankings, I have the 5s, the Chicago ones, and then this shoe comes in 3rd of all Off-White releases, man. Tag on here says Off-White, CO Nike, 2020 zip tie, man. Super clean. Cell insole with the Nike Air on the inside of the insole as well, man. Added that Cell Jumpman hang tag on there as well. Inside the netting, this is how you can tell a lot of the fake pairs so far. So this netting won't be the correct color of Cell. The fakes haven't been able to master that correct color, and it's been looking very bright, or maybe like cream or a whitish color, man. So be on the lookout for that. And as far as another way to tell fakes, man, if your Jordan 4 Off-Whites came with the laces attached to them, like a pair of Jordan 1s with the clear thing, laces attached hanging to the side, then you got for a fake pair, man. I've seen so many of my followers, so many people happy posting that they got the Off-White 4s and saying that they got them from a plug or from a connect, man. I'm just hoping that you guys are not paying crazy amounts for those fake pairs, man. There's a lot going around, so please be careful, man. Please be careful. Word of advice, man. Check for the Cell on the inside of the netting, man. Make sure it's a creamish color and not white, and your laces should not be attached to the shoe. Spare laces should not be attached, man. Just free game, man. Do not get got spending $1,000 and you come across with a fake shoe. And if you're trying to get these and someone says they has them for $500, $600, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. There's no way someone would sell you a shoe that they could sell for $1,500, $1,200, $1,300, $1,400, and they tell you they got a deal on them, they have 20 pair and they sell them for $500 a piece. It just doesn't make sense. Like, simply put, if it doesn't make sense, if it's too good to be true, it probably is, man. Just be patient. Wait for the second release, man. I got a big feeling that one is coming very, very, very soon. So just stay tuned for that, man. Be patient. Don't get got with a fake pair. And if you do go ahead and want to cash on a pair, man, just make sure you check for those signs, or just try to buy from a trusted seller, from your from your legit resale shops, or from one of your local resellers, man. I personally would stay away from StockX and GOAT at the moment, not because they're passing fakes, but just because of the backed up time frame. So I would encourage you to support your local resellers, man. Check out your local Facebook groups, your local Instagram guys, man, and just try to shop local. That way you get your shoe a lot faster, man, and you'll be able to check and see for the legitimacy of the shoe. You'll be able to check the authenticity in person for a meetup, man. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Cell Off-White Jordan 4s. In my opinion, this is the #2 shoe of the year so far, right behind the Metallic 5 Off-White. Super clean shoe overall. Favorite accent is that clear heel tab. It has the clear wings on it as well, man. It's a super clean shoe. Y'all let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you. Did you cop a pair? From where did you get them? Or is this a pass, man? Is it heat or is it hype? Y'all let me know, man. Leave a comment down below. And as far as the giveaway winners from the last video, man, they have been notified. So check your comments under the last video. I hit you up on there. Go ahead and hit me on Instagram. Shoot me a DM, and I'll get your prizes. Shout out to you guys. But till next time on the next video, man. Off-White Jordan 4s. Peace.